Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and I'm here to show you the 3 add-on kits for July. These coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit so that it can go even further. So we have 3 different ones. We have the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper, and the embellishment add-on. You can choose 1, 2, or all 3. This is a perfect way to have your kits go even further and last longer. Don't forget the Shots of Life also coordinates with the Flavors of the Month, so it's another awesome add-on. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of the add-ons that are available for July. Our first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. So you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. These are chosen to give you more options so that you can use them for backgrounds for your layouts. You can mat your photos. You can even do some die cutting with them. Lots of options for your cardstock. Starting with Doodlebug, Land That I Love, you're going to receive 2 sheets of wave and 1 sheet of powder. For the photo play paper, We Can Just Stay Home, you're going to receive 2 sheets of flamingo and 1 sheet of robin's egg blue. For the Pebbles, Live Life Happy, you're going to receive 2 sheets of lemon and a sheet of cherry. And for the Pink Paisley and Many More collection, you're going to receive 2 sheets of geranium and 1 sheet of calypso. So you can see here how well they coordinate with the collections. You can also see all of the colors that you're going to be getting to work with this month. Just a really fun palette of colors ready for your summer. The next add-on we're going to look at is the pattern paper add-on. So for your pattern paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. This gives you so many more options for your patterned paper. For the Doodlebug designs, Land That I Love, you're going to get this paper called Polka Dot Parade, and it has all of the border strips here. Super cute icons. And the back is the polka dot of the red, white, and blue along with that aqua. This paper called America the Beautiful, which is the hearts in all of those colors, and the back is a really small plaid design. For the photo play paper, We Can Just Stay Home, you'll receive this cut apart sheet. This is called Stick Together. So we have some 4x6 and 3x4s as well as some 2x2 squares here, and the borders or the long border strips as well. So lots of options with that cut apart. The back is a star print on orange. This one called PJs All Day is the turquoise plaid, and the back has pajamas and pillows, and it says pajamas all day, pajama party, comfy. So super cute. It has the little slippers and the eye mask and some socks. For the Pebbles Live Life Happy, we have this one called Rainbow Blossoms. It has the small little floral and these little leaves. The back is a green polka dot, full branding strip of these rainbow stripes. This paper called Rad Stripes, which is the diagonal stripe. And the back has all of the cute cups. So you can document your Starbucks trips with that paper. From Pink Paisley and Many More, we have paper number 6, which is these beautiful pink blossoms on the turquoise background, and a broad pink and white stripe. And again, we have a full branding strip, little bows. Paper number 5, which is all of these balls of different patterns and colors. And the back is this really fun painted background with the light blue, the turquoise, and then the darker blue here. So you can have a lot of fun on that. Banner strip has the little banners in the different colors on the pink. So this would be a great background, but you could also cut it apart and use the colors separately or all together. So one more look at your patterned paper. This is a great option to have your kit go even further. Our third add-on is the embellishment add-on. So you're going to get even more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. Starting with the Land That I Love, you're going to get the package of Stars and Stripes sprinkles. So these are some great star-shaped enamel dots in all of those fun colors. For the Pebbles, Live Life Happy, you're going to get half of the sticker sheet. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that I received. You'll get one side or the other. For the Pink Paisley and Many More collection, you're going to receive one of the foam phrase stickers. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one I got. So you're going to get lots of little phrases and a few little icons on that sheet. Lots of cute icons there. And for the photo play paper, We Can Just Stay Home, you're going to receive some of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary among the kits as well. But this is a good sample. There's lots of cute little phrases, little movie ticket, and the sweet little icons. So that is a look at your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to get those added to your order and check out all the other items available in the Scrap Room store. There's lots of fun products there. Then come join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Join in some challenges. Show us what you're creating with your kits because we'd love to see what you're creating. Thanks so much for watching.